everyone, my name is Whitney and I'm a registered dental hygienist, and today we need to talk because some of the things I've been seeing online, yikes. So for today's video, I made a list of the 7 most common dental mistakes that I've seen floating around, especially popular among younger people. Let's talk. Mistake number 1, taking dental advice from social media influencers. If someone on your For You page tells you to file down your teeth with a nail file or create your own DIY charcoal toothpaste at home because it whitens your teeth, please keep scrolling. That's not innovation, that's irreversible damage. Remember, enamel doesn't grow back. Once it's gone, it's gone. And both nail files and charcoal toothpaste can etch away or file away your enamel forever. So yeah, general tips online can often be helpful, sure, but anything that sounds personalized or extreme or too good to be true, know that it probably is too good to be true. So before you ever do anything to your teeth at home, run it by your real dentist and or your real dental hygienist first. You only get one set of adult teeth. Mistake number 2, falling for quick fixes. If it promises instant whitening or the secret to white teeth and it costs like $5, it's probably doing something, just not what you think. Teeth whitening is chemistry, right? Real at-home whitening products that contain peroxide, that's the main ingredient for whitening. These products work gradually and are tested for safety and efficacy, such as the strips, trays, and gels. Whereas most gimmicky products that you buy online, especially on social media, TikTok Shop, not that everything's bad on TikTok Shop, but a lot of things are. A lot of these products are just dehydrating your teeth temporarily and or using optical illusions. See my purple toothpaste video. And again, anyone who says this is the secret or nobody will tell you this, maybe they are just using these types of phrases to hook you in and then the information they give is fine. I do that sometimes to help people click on my videos, and then once I get them in, I'm able to provide evidence-based information. But oftentimes, people aren't doing that. Those who claim they have the secret to white teeth, they are just scamming you because there is no actual secret to white teeth. If there was, everyone would talk about it and everyone would do it. It wouldn't stay a secret. Mistake number 3, believing natural equals safe, the natural fallacy. Just because it's called natural doesn't mean it's safe. Poison ivy is natural, and I don't see anyone rubbing that on their teeth. I've seen people brushing with spices, lemon juice, even strawberries, hoping for whitening benefits or healing properties. But real talk, turmeric actually stains teeth, lemon juice erodes tooth enamel, and strawberries, what? Fruits are made of sugars, and rubbing your teeth with sugars is obviously not a good thing when we're talking about cavities. Anyway, you can love natural wellness and still make evidence-based decisions. So let's not destroy our tooth enamel in the name of DIY dental care. Mistake number 4, thinking I don't eat sugar so I don't need to brush my teeth. So candy and desserts, these aren't the only sugary cavity culprits. Just because you don't eat sugary foods doesn't mean you don't need to brush, because carbohydrates like bread, crackers, chips, cereal, those all break down into sugar in your mouth as well. Sometimes these foods are playing even a more damaging role in increasing your risk of cavities. I have a whole video that goes over why carbs are worse for your teeth than candy. In addition, acidic drinks like soda and acidic foods like oranges and lemons can wear down enamel as well. So even if your diet is clean and you don't eat sugar, plaque biofilm builds up every day. And if it's not brushed away, the bacteria in your mouth throw a party, resulting in cavities. Brushing and flossing aren't optional. They're essential, no matter your diet. Mistake number 5, not brushing long enough or correctly. 2 minutes twice a day. I know you've heard it, but are you actually doing it? I recently had a patient who mentioned she started timing herself and realized she has probably never been brushing for even 1 full minute, let alone 2 full minutes. So now she sets a 2-minute timer. And I encourage all of you to do the same. Unless you're using an electric toothbrush with the built-in timer, be sure to set your own timer on your phone or use a guided brushing app. I love the Better Mouth app. It's more than just a timer. It also has a bunch of gamified incentives for your daily brushing and flossing. And don't forget, technique matters more than the tool itself, right? What's an expensive fancy toothbrush if you're not using it correctly? Having said that, I will also link my free oral care guide below as well, which has all my tutorial videos in one place: brushing, flossing, tongue scraping, and more, to make sure you're doing everything properly. Mistake number 6, only going to the dentist when something hurts. Tooth pain usually means whatever is going on in your mouth has already reached a severe stage, because cavities don't hurt in the early stages. So if your tooth is hurting, it might already be in root canal territory. But if you would have caught it early with routine checkup x-rays, maybe it would have only needed a small cavity filling. Don't wait until a tooth hurts in your mouth. Get routine checkups and cleanings to minimize your chance of ever having tooth pain. And for gum disease, it's silent. It rarely ever hurts until, again, it's too late and you start losing bone around your teeth and your teeth start getting loose, and hey, you might notice that it's difficult to eat and chew food because your teeth are wiggling around. So Long story short, preventative care is cheaper, easier, and less stressful. Trust me, you'd rather come in for routine checkups and cleanings when nothing hurts, opposed to needing root canals, crowns, extractions, and implants. Not only are those procedures much more involved, they are much more expensive. You save money in the long run going to the dentist routinely for checkups and cleanings. And lastly, mistake number 7, treating dental care like it's separate from healthcare. This is a big one. Your mouth isn't separate from your body. I've seen TikToks where people are saying things like, it's just a tooth, like in regards to a chipped or broken tooth from opening a beer can with their teeth. Listen, your oral health affects everything. Your heart, your lungs, your blood sugar, even pregnancy outcomes. It's not just about white, cosmetically pretty teeth. Teeth are an extension of your whole body's health, especially with your gums and bleeding gums. Gums should not bleed. It's not normal for gums to bleed. If they are bleeding, it means they are inflamed. There's inflammation happening in your mouth, which can spread to other parts of your body. Overall, if you've ever made some of these mistakes, hey, no shame. Now you know what not to do, and that's what matters. Social media can be fun, but it's no substitute for science. So next time you see a DIY dental trend, ask your dentist and/or dental hygienist if it's based on a myth or a fact before you try it at home. We're here to help, not to judge. I'd much rather my patients ask me about something before they do try it themselves at home versus asking me how to fix the damage they caused. And I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if it did. And let me know in the comments, what's the craziest dental mistake you've seen people make on social media? I love reading the comments and seeing what you all are seeing online. Let me know, and thank you for watching. I'll link everything I mentioned in the description box below, including the Better Mouth app. If you ever find yourself struggling with consistency, this app really makes dental home care feel less like a chore and more like an act of self-care. Highly recommend. And until next time, I'll see you on Instagram at Teeth Talk Girl. Peace, love, and teeth.